Kansa was the son of Sri Ugrasena, king of Mathura, and an incarnation of an Asura, demon, called Kalanemi. In the Swayambhuva Manvantara, first Manvantara of this kalp, Sri Marichi, son of Sri Brahma, had a wife named Sri Uma Devi, and they had 6 mighty and powerful sons. One day, they ridiculed Sri Brahma, the supreme lord of creation, saying, "A god who has married his own creation." Sri Brahma married Devi Saraswati Mata, his own creation. Sri Brahma became angry and cursed them to be born as Asuras on earth. All the 6 sons were, therefore, born as sons of an Asura called Kalanemi on earth. In their next birth, they were born as sons of Hiranyakashipu. They led a pious life, and pleased at this, Sri Brahma asked them what boon they wanted, and they demanded that they should not be killed by anybody. Their father, Hiranyakashipu, did not like his sons getting a boon behind his back, and so he cursed his sons, "May you all 6 go to Patala, netherworld, and sleep there for a long time under the name of Sadarbhakas." The sons begged for relief, and Hiranyakashipu said that they would, after sleeping for a long time, be born to Sri Devaki Mata, wife of Sri Vasudeva, as their children, and that Kalanemi, their father in their previous birth, would then be born as Kansa and kill the children of Sri Devaki Mata by striking their heads on the ground. Accordingly, Kalanemi was born as Kansa, and he killed the 6 children of Sri Devaki Mata by striking them on the ground. Another story regarding the birth of Kansa due to Kalpbhed. Kansa was not, actually, the son of Sri Ugrasena. It was Sri Narada, son of Sri Brahma, who revealed to Kansa the story of his birth. It is as follows: once, when the wife of Sri Ugrasena went to the garden with her companions, then a Gandharva, demigod, named Dramila, disguised as Sri Ugrasena, went to her, but she found the trick and cursed him that he would go to hell. When the child was born of Dramila, Sri Ugrasena's wife greatly hated the child, got of an evil deed, and cursed it, saying that the child would be killed by a member of the family of Sri Ugrasena. Thus, Kansa was the son born to the wife of Sri Ugrasena by the Gandharva, Dramila. It was because Kansa was aware of it that he behaved very badly towards Sri Ugrasena and Sri Krishna. In olden times, there was a famous place called Madhuvana in the river base of Kalindi. The place got the name of Madhuvana because the Asura Madhu was residing there. Madhu had a son named Lavana. Lavana was a very wicked Asura, always ill-treating the Devas, gods. Sri Shatrughna, brother of Sri Rama, killed him and lived there, establishing a beautiful kingdom there. He named that place Mathura. After Sri Shatrughna left earth, 2 of his sons ruled that country. Then, when the Surya dynasty became extinct, the city of Mathura came into the possession of the Yadu dynasty. It was ruled then by a very brave and valiant ruler named Sri Surasena. Sri Vasudeva, father of Sri Krishna, was the son of Surasena. After the death of Sri Surasena, another king of the Yadava dynasty, Sri Ugrasena, became the ruler of the place, and Sri Vasudeva accepted cow rearing as his profession. Kansa became king, keeping Sri Ugrasena as a prisoner. Sri Vasudeva and Sri Devaki Mata were imprisoned. Sri Vasudeva married Sri Devaki Mata, daughter of Sri Ugrasena and sister of Kansa. Some details about them is given as follows: Devapa, son of Devaka, had 7 daughters, viz. Shrutadeva, Santideva, Upadeva, Srideva, Devarakshita, Sahadeva and Devaki. Sri Devaki Mata was married to Sri Vasudeva. Kansa was the son of Sri Ugrasena, the brother of Devaka, son of Vahuka. Sri Devaki Mata was the granddaughter of Devaka. Certain Puranas refer to Devaki as the daughter of Devak. According to them, Kansa and Sri Devaki Mata were children of the elder and the younger brothers, respectively. According to the Sri Agni Purana, Sri Devaki Mata was the niece of Kansa. Thus, between Kansa and Sri Devaki Mata there was a brother-sister relationship as also an uncle-niece relationship. Sri Devaki Mata in her previous birth was Sri Aditi Mata, the daughter of Sri Daksha and wife of Sri Kashyapa Prajapati. Sri Vasudeva was the rebirth of Prajapati Kashyapa. Shri Aditi Mata and Shri Surasa Mata, the wives of Shri Kashyapa, took birth as Shri Devki Mata and Shri Rohini Mata, respectively. Shri Rohini Mata, the wife of Shri Vasudeva, gave birth to Shri Balarama, the fighter Sarana, Durdhara, Dama, Pindraka and Mahahanu. Of Shri Devki Mata, who was also called Shri Maya Devi and Shri Amavasi Devi, the younger son Shri Krishna and his beautiful sister Shri Subhadra Devi were born. Vijaya, Rokamana, Vardhamana and Devla were sons born by Shri Upadevi. The two sons Agovaha and Mandaga, otherwise called Anjada, were born of Rakadevi. Ravanta, who could not be defeated in battle, was born from Shri Saptami Devi. The first son of Shri Vasudeva was Kausika, whose birth was from Shri Shraddha Devi when Shri Vasudeva was travelling in the forest. Kapila, a mighty son, was born by the queen Shri Sruthandhara Devi. Subhadra, head of the archers, and Abhava was born to his wife Shri Jana Devi. Padma Purana, p. 1314. Kansa, pleased with his sister, presented her with a chariot. Kansa, Shri Vasudeva and Shri Devki Mata ascended the chariot and Kansa himself drove the chariot. Then, from an unknown source above came a voice which said, "O king, now you know this, and from this moment chalk out your plans for the future. The eighth son of your sister will kill you for certain. You will be no match against him." Hearing this voice from heaven, Kansa got furious and dragged his sister by the hair and raised his sword to kill her. More Part 2.